The DJI Mini 4K drone is part of DJI's ever-popular Mini series, offering a compact, lightweight drone with impressive imaging capabilities. With a sharp 4K camera and a variety of intelligent features, this drone is positioned as an ideal choice for beginners and hobbyists looking for an easy-to-use device without sacrificing quality. But how does it perform in the real world? Let's dive into its features, performance, and overall value. One of the standout features of the DJI Mini 4K drone is its portability. Weighing in at only 249 grams, it doesn't require FAA registration, which is a huge bonus for casual users. The drone's small, foldable design makes it easy to carry around and store in a small bag or backpack, which is perfect for travelers, vloggers, or anyone who values portability. The build quality is impressive for a drone at this price point. The lightweight plastic feels sturdy, and the folding arms lock securely in place. However, while the drone can handle light winds, you'll want to avoid extreme conditions as it can be prone to wobble in stronger gusts. The 4K camera on the DJI Mini is a major selling point. It offers 2.7K video recording at 30 FPS and 12 MP photos, which is more than enough for most hobbyist-level content creators. The image quality is impressive, with rich colors and decent dynamic range for a drone in this category. The camera is stabilized by a 3-axis gimbal, which significantly reduces shakiness in footage and delivers smooth, cinematic video. Whether you're shooting scenic landscapes, family gatherings, or even low-light scenes, the Mini 4K delivers solid results. That said, in low-light situations, the camera struggles a bit. While it performs decently in sunset or twilight shots, it can have noticeable noise and grain, especially in darker environments. This is a trade-off you'd expect from a drone of this size and price. In terms of flight performance, the DJI Mini 4K drone is incredibly user-friendly. It features GPS-assisted hover for stable flight, and its vision sensors help with obstacle detection and smoother takeoffs and landings. The drone's maximum flight time is about 30 minutes, which is competitive for this type of drone, although it might be shorter depending on weather conditions or how aggressively you fly. The Mini 4K is equipped with intelligent flight modes, including Follow Me, Quick Shots, and Waypoints. These modes are perfect for getting creative with your shots, especially if you're just starting out with drones and don't want to spend too much time learning complex manual controls. The DJI Mini 4K comes with the familiar DJI Fly app, which is intuitive and easy to navigate. The app allows for live video streaming from the drone's camera and provides a range of controls to fine-tune your shots. The app also gives you access to pre-programmed flight paths and safety features, such as automatic return to home when the battery gets low. The included controller is comfortable and ergonomic, offering responsive controls that feel natural. The only downside is the phone holder, which feels a bit flimsy compared to the overall build quality of the rest of the drone. Compact and lightweight. At 249 grams, the Mini 4K is FAA exempt and highly portable. 4K camera with 3-axis gimbal stabilization. Offers high-quality video and photos for its size. User-friendly flight modes. Perfect for beginners with features like Follow Me, Quick Shots, and Waypoints. Solid battery life. Up to 30 minutes of flight time in ideal conditions. Excellent value. Offers high-end features at a competitive price, especially for those who want to create cinematic footage without breaking the bank. Limited low-light performance. The camera struggles with noise in low-light conditions, making it less ideal for evening shoots or indoors. Wind resistance. While the Mini 4K performs well in mild conditions, it's not the most stable in high winds. Flimsy phone holder. The controller's phone holder feels a bit weak, which may cause some concerns during extended use. No obstacle avoidance on all sides. While there are sensors to help with hovering, it lacks full obstacle avoidance, so you need to be extra cautious when flying near obstacles. Overall, the DJI Mini 4K drone offers incredible value for its price, making it one of the best options for beginner to intermediate drone enthusiasts. Its portability, strong camera performance, and user-friendly controls make it a great choice for anyone looking to create stunning aerial footage without spending a fortune. However, its limitations in low-light conditions and wind resistance mean it might not be the best option for professional filmmakers or those who need a drone for more demanding conditions. For those looking for a high-quality, entry-level drone with impressive imaging capabilities, the DJI Mini 4K is a fantastic option.